Good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about one of the most important molecules or substances that you can find in cosmetic products, and that's hyaluronic acid. And I'll tell you why it's important because if there is one of the top three, building blocks in your dermis, so your dermis is below your epidermis, and that's the one that's responsible for aging. So we are talking about things like wrinkles, fine lines, and volume loss. So in the dermis, you've got collagen, you've got elastin, and you've got hyaluronic acid, and they are all made by cells called the fibroblasts. So what happens with time? Well, with time, sun damaged, smoking, all of these constituents which make up the foundation of the dermis gets degraded. So hyaluronic acid decreases with time. It is also called hyaluronan and restylane as the trade name. It is a viscous fluid carbohydrate present in connective tissue, synovial fluid, and the humerus of the eye, discovered in 1934 by Carl Meyer, found in all vertebrates animal. Structure and function. Hyaluronic acid is a mucopolysaccharide composed of alternating residues of the monosaccharide glucuronic acid and glucosamine, forms hydrogen bond with water molecules. It is present as filling material in connective tissue, especially the skin. Helps in delivering nutrients, helps also to retain over a 1,000th time its weight in water within the cells of skin. And here is the structures of hyaluronic acids as we see. How is hyaluronic acid made? Hyaluronic acid is manufactured using sterile techniques. In the past, hyaluronic acid was manufactured using roaster comps. Newer forms of hyaluronic acid for cranes contain different size particles known as a polymolecular HAS. These variable size molecules enable better penetration into the epidermis. As yet, there are no forms of hyaluronic acid applied topically that can reach the dermis. Benefits. There are many benefits for hyaluronic acid. Hydrates dry skin, makes skin soft and smooth, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, promotes hair growth, reconstructs connective tissue, used in eye surgery and corneal transplant, also used to treat osteoarthritis by injecting it into the joint. Side effects for hyaluronic acid. Sometimes it can cause pain and redness where it is injected. Increased pressure in the eye may occur after it is used for eye surgery. Rarely it may cause allergic reaction. Sources. From where can I get hyaluronic acid? From foods, roaster comb, beans, stamio, capsules, creams, serum, spray, and injection. Application. For anti-aging, joint function improvement, lip augmentation. Anti-aging. As I say at the beginning, hyaluronic acid decreases by aging, therefore wrinkles and folds firm. Here on the x-axis we have age, and on the y-axis we have amount of hyaluronic acids in the skin. And we notice that in the newborn babies and the teenager, they have the most and higher amount of hyaluronic acids in their skin. In these two pictures, the first one with high hyaluronic acids content, and the second one is with low hyaluronic acids content, and we notice that the wrinkles and fine lines appear here. Anti-aging, the filler are available in the form of a syringe. Here in these pictures we see the regions where we can inject the hyaluronic acids to become more younger. Here we have two pictures before and after the injections of hyaluronic acids. As we see the wrinkles around the mouth disappear, and this is a fantastic result. Here also the before and after re-injection the hyaluronic acid. Joint function improvement. Joint fluid and articular cartilage contain hyaluronic acid at high concentration. It serves as a lubricant, preventing bone-to-bone friction, and as a cushion. This function allows our joints to move smoothly. Here in these pictures, we see the femur, joint fluid, and articular cartilage. The treatment. A common medical treatment uses hyaluronic acid as a joint function improving agent. Hyaluronic acid is injected into joint to treat patients suffering from knee osteoarthritis, pre-arthritis of the shoulder, and knee pain from rheumatoid arthritis. HA has been reported to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects in such uses. Lip augmentation. Non-surgical procedures that aim to improve the appearance of the lips by increasing their fullness through enlargement. And here some pictures for before and after we use hyaluronic acids for enlargement the lips. And that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.